Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to get this cute pinky eye look in under 10 minutes. The best way to start is getting your hair out of the way. First, I'm going to take this concealer. It is a green color correction concealer I did get from my dollar store haul. I'm going to put this right on my red areas on my cheeks just so I can reduce some redness. Next, I'm going to take this green tea primer and I'm going to just put it on all the other spots on my face. This is going to help with redness as well as inflammation. It's also going to go ahead and hydrate my very dry skin. Then I take my Makeup Revolution concealer and just use it as a base for my eyeshadow. You just put it on there, blend it out, and this is going to cover up veins as well as provide a smooth base for your makeup. Don't forget to set it with a setting powder. Then I took my Nudie Patootie palette by Laura Lee Los Angeles and took the shade Streaking and put it all over my lid, making sure to blend back and forth in windshield wiper motions. Don't forget to do the same thing on the other eye. Next, we take the shade Bare in the Nudie Patootie palette, and this is the pink that we're making the star of the show, so make sure you blend this all over the lid and up into that first color Streaking for a nice pinky look that's going to go ahead and blend in with the surprise we're going to put on in a minute. Take a clean brush and just blend out the edges up into your eyebrow bone. This is going to make a seamless look. Again, don't forget the other eye. Now, take the shade Butt Naked and really focus this on the outer corners of your eye. This is important because it's going to make a kind of frame for your eye and a frame for the glitter we're going to put on in just a moment. Don't forget to dip back into Streaking and just blend everything out. Do the same on the other eye. Then we take the Stila Magnificent Shadow in the shade Sunset Cove and we're just going to put this all over the lid. Don't be afraid to take that Stila Magnificent Shadow and blend it into your outer corner, always tapping it to make it a seamless blend. Just do it on the other eye and you're good to go. Make sure you dip back in the dark color we used and just help frame that eye, tapping ever so slightly. Use a makeup wipe to clean up any fallout. Next, take any foundation you want. I'm using the NYX Total Control Drops and I'm really just blending this into my skin, making sure that I'm getting everywhere, covering all my blemishes and giving myself a fresh start for my face makeup. I add more for some extra coverage because I want some extra coverage on my redness under my eyes. I like to go right along the edge of my eyeshadow just to give me a crisp line. Next, my Makeup Revolution concealer. Just get it all under your eye, everywhere you want to conceal. I have really dark under eyes, so I like to focus right in that area. I also find this concealer doesn't really crease or get cakey on me, so I don't mind applying just a little bit extra for some extra needed coverage. Next, I'm using my Coty Airspun to just do some quick baking. Tap some in the lid, get a wet sponge, and you're just going to want to press it right into all those places you just laid down the concealer. If you have dry skin, avoid doing this all over your entire face. I really just like to focus in the areas that I don't want to move during the day, which is under my eyes. Then I take my Anastasia Brow Wiz and just get those eyebrows going while I'm letting that bake on my skin. I like a more fluffy brow look, so I don't want to do anything crazy. I just go through, run the pencil through places where I'm missing just a little bit of hair, spoolie it out, and then I'm good to go. I take my Wet n Wild clear brow gel and just set those babies in place. Next, I'm going to brush away that bake from underneath my eye, as well as the places that I set it on the rest of my face. And I'm just going to use that excess powder to lightly powder the rest of my face. I do have dry skin, so I like to avoid any kind of heavy setting powder, just a light dusting. Look at my shirt. Next, I'm taking my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm going to do my favorite part of makeup and just get in there and bronze up my skin, giving me a little bit more life than just a flat foundation face. Make sure you take it up onto your temples. You're really just creating dimensions of your face and playing with shadows. Take it underneath your chin as well. This is going to help create an illusion that you're not as chubby and you don't have a second chin down there. Now I take my more of a shiny bronzer and just get some shine on my skin. It is no secret that I love my NYX Ombre blush. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my skin. This and that shiny bronzer is going to give me a nice, full, and healthy looking skin. I'm taking my Jeffree Star highlighter. I've never worn it, only swatched it. I thought this would be a great addition to my face. It's going to help me bring that purpley pinkiness of the Sunset Cove eye glimmer, the Stila one that I used. It's kind of going to bring those purples together and just give me a nice, concise look. Not to mention, it is blinding. Don't forget your nose and your chin. I'm going to go back in to the dark color we used and frame my under eye. I love under eye shadow. I'm taking a jelly highlighter. This also comes off pinky purple on the skin. It is jelly. I don't remember where I got this from, but it is going to give me an intense pop of color in that inner corner, and I just love it. I took a leap of faith with this, and I'm very happy that I did. I absolutely loved the way it opened up my eye. I tapped it out though. It was a little intense. Next, I just went back in with that Magnificent Stila shadow and just added some more pinkiness, gave it a little bit more life. Then I took my Worth the Hype mascara from NYX and really got in there. I didn't want to put fake lashes on with this, so I really wanted to make sure that I worked it in at the root and just pulled it through, giving me full lashes without having to go through the hassle of putting on fake lashes. I hate fake lashes, so if I can get the mascara to do the same job, I'm gonna work it. I took a nude lip pencil and really just framed my lips. I wasn't going to fill them all in, but I loved the way it was looking, so I just decided to go the full way and make sure I got this color everywhere. That way I gave the liquid lip that I got from TJ Maxx. I believe it is not a popular brand. You'll see it in a second, but I wanted to give it the best chance, so I gave it the best base. It's a beautiful color. I will leave it in the description box below. I don't remember the name, but it was a great color and a great choice. It stayed on all day and I really, really did love it. Just a spritz of my NYX setting spray. Put my hair down and I am good to go. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this style and you want more, leave me a like below. See you next time.